Can you imagine a world without plants? In the next few seconds, you'll discover how vital plants are to our survival. Plants are not just green decor. They provide the oxygen we breathe. They produce the food we eat. Have you ever thought of how they clean our air? Plants absorb harmful pollutants. They also act as natural air conditioners, cooling our planet with their shade. Did you know certain plants can even heal us? Aloe vera soothes burns. Lavender reduces stress. Basil can boost your immunity. Plants are nature's life support system. So, next time you see a plant, appreciate its magic. Hit the like button if you found this useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing nature facts.